Welcome to new videos. How to improve English. Write correct answer in comment section. We dash coming today is am or. I'm dash home into home with home. The birds are flying the treasure tree above on into. I live dash my family with in and to. I'm writing dashboard, on board, above board, behind board. We did not dash letter, write, wrote, written. She does not dash home, go, goes, went. We dash come to home yesterday is am was. I can dash football, play, played. I dash complete my work, have, had, has. Students are dash the teacher, in front, into, on. We are entering the school, into, beside, behind. I have dash a bird today, see, saw, seen. Does dash go to school, he, I, you. I dash mango today, eat, ate, eaten. They are dash English, speaking, spoken. Dash he run fast, do, does. Student dash coming to school is into or. I dash cook tomorrow will was or. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for answering question. Thank you for watching my videos. For more, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.